The modern digital experience is defined by workflow continuity. One of my favorite simple examples is when you have to enter a two-factor authentication code and your phone pulls it straight from your messages without having to switch apps. That's the kind of seamless experience that users expect. But when it comes to documents, we often break that flow. Download, edit, re-upload. Well, the summer release is here to fix that. We're bringing the same level of convenience and continuity to document editing, right inside your app. The traditional document workflow cycle, download the file, open it in another program, make a change, re-upload it, that creates friction, slows down productivity, and introduces security risks. To help alleviate these challenges, the summer release adds advanced formatting capabilities for DOCX files and basic editing for XLSX files. This release also introduces key features that help developers build smarter, more secure, and scalable applications, keeping users in the flow and content in your control. We're here to empower you with the tools to build applications that are not just functional, but truly seamless. Let's dive into the major new features, starting with enhanced Office editing. We've significantly expanded our Office editing suite to deliver robust in-app experiences for both Word and Excel documents. We've heard from you. Advanced layout controls are a major pain in other embedded editors. That's why we've brought new features to our DOCX editor to address these issues. A new dedicated layout tab allows users to adjust margins, set up complex multi-column layouts, and apply section-specific formatting. This is essential for documents like policy proposals that need a distinct cover page or marketing materials that require multi-column design. The new controls provide flexibility to set top, bottom, left, and right margins independently. Users can choose from standard presets or input custom values in inches, centimeters, or millimeters. These tools ensure documents remain true to their original form, no matter how complex the layout. And for XLSX files, we're excited to introduce a new edit mode, enabling a full Excel-style editing experience right in the browser. This update builds on our secure read-only view mode by providing a full in-browser editing experience. Edit mode allows users to modify spreadsheets, format cells, including text size, color, and background, and merge cells. You can also apply a wide variety of formulas and even insert or delete rows and columns. It empowers users to work with sensitive financial data or audit checklists directly within your application. No risky local downloads, no external tools. It's designed for fast, seamless integration, offering an Excel-like experience without a whole new learning curve. Now, let's talk about accessibility and compliance. Digital accessibility is now a core legal requirement, and our new release is built with this in mind. Our core Web SDK components, including WebViewer, DOCX Editor, and Spreadsheet Editor, now have a unified UI that meets WCAG 2.2 AA standards out of the box. This ensures a consistent and inclusive experience for all users, regardless of ability. But accessibility isn't just about UI. Document content itself also needs to be accessible, especially legacy files. The new compliant UI provides built-in support for crucial accessibility features. Logical tab order for full keyboard navigation, high contrast ratios for users with low vision, and ARIA support for screen reader compatibility. These features save you significant development time and resources. We also support new success criteria set by the W3C, such as focus management and target size, making interactions easier for a wider range of disabilities. And with our Server SDK update, you can now programmatically auto-tag PDFs. This converts scanned images or untagged PDFs into machine-readable documents, adding semantic tags so assistive technologies can interpret and read the content accurately. With the latest updates in our summer release, you can build smarter, more secure, and more scalable applications. From advanced office editing to out-of-the-box accessibility, your users are guaranteed secure, accessible, and consistent in-app editing experiences. Just like modern apps that let you pay with a tap, sign in with a face scan, or share files instantly, your document workflows should be just as seamless and secure. To learn more about these updates and see them in action, check out the full release notes and our documentation.